knows, you have to exercise to get fit. That includes drawing. Do you exercise? Do you exercise this? No, I don't mean that. Drawing exercises. And so that's what I'm going to do right now. Watching might help you lose calories and it might help you draw better, but no guarantee. Let's go. Absolutely zero guarantees on losing calories. I'm sorry, you guys. But as you can see, I took a photo reference, I did a quick study, and now I'm kind of doing a study of my study. And the reason that this is important is because we don't want to just copy a photo. We want to understand the form and understand why the muscles connect in that way, why those legs are in that perspective, and kind of make it our own as well. The reason this is one of my most favorite drawing exercises is it's not just teaching me anatomy and muscle groups and how different parts of the body connect to each other, but it's also helping me grow my understanding of character design and posing, because posing is such an important part of character design. See these two arches here? These are part of my line of action, crucial in posing your character. If you don't have strong lines of action, then your character is going to seem static, dead, boring. If you want it to be exciting and dynamic, you need those curves, you need those straight lines to play off the curves. And it just really helps cement your character design and make it appealing. Make sure that with these curves, you're drawing through your form, because lines of action, they're kind of like momentum. Imagine if you're drawing a line of momentum. If you don't draw through your form, you're going to stop right in the middle. Like, you can't let your line of action stop just because a leg gets in the way. Draw through your form. Okay, but I'm going to shut up now. I'm gonna just let you kind of watch what I do. So. And there we have it, one of my most favorite drawing exercises. You use a photo reference to help you learn things based on life, but then you take that, you make a sketch of it, and you turn it into its own solid character design. Oh my god, my drawing muscles. But like, look. Well, I hope this encouraged you to work those drawing muscles, or maybe your real muscles. 2 for 1 and all that. Please, please like, subscribe, and let me know what you thought about my flex in the comments. Till next time.